So we have an Openbite class 2 division 1 malocclusion with 10 millimeters of overjet and minus 2 millimeters of overbite. And let's see what the vertical transfer would do. So the first thing to do is to create a hinge axis. Meet the condyles right here. So we create a plane for a rotational hinge axis. So we only have rotation. And then the next step is to remove the vertical stops to get an idea of the rotation. So in this case, we remove the molars and premolars. They could be intruded, but it's easier for the sake of discussion. And then what we do, the next step is to rotate the mandible around the hinge axis until there is anterior stops. And you can notice the overjet is almost gone. The canines are almost class 1. And obviously the molars are still a bit class 2, but a lot less than before. And then we can measure the amount of intrusion necessary to achieve this kind of a result, which in this case happens to be roughly 3 millimeters, a little bit more than 3 millimeters. I think it's 3.3 millimeters of intrusion at the level of the first molar. And we now look at chin point, see what happens to the chin point in this situation. So this is before treatment or before vertical manipulation. And then we rotate again the mandible into its correct position. It goes up by 11 degrees and by about 8.8 millimeters of advancement. Thank you.